Welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and welcome to a Black and White Elegance collaboration. This is a collaboration that I am co-hosting with Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget and Robin from All Things Luxe by Robin. And let me present to you a black radiance tablescape. So you guys know I love a good tablescape, and you know black and white are my signature colors. That is one of the reasons Marilyn asked me to be her co-host for the month of October. And the month of October is also a month that I especially love because it's Halloween in that month. And I absolutely love Halloween and decorating for Halloween. And this is my interpretation of a elegant and sophisticated, grown and sexy Halloween dinner party. So I have decided to create a blackout tablescape. The only thing that is showing that is not black are the pumpkins and my chairs. And you guys know that I have been experimenting on my chair colors. Sorry for the lighting. It's going on in the evening time where I am right now. So I do apologize, but this was the best time I could film so you would see the luxuriousness of the blackout table. So I absolutely love how the table came together. And in my opinion, I think this is one of the best tablescapes I have done yet. And you guys know, as I said, I love doing tablescapes. So let's take a look at the centerpiece. In my last video, I showed you guys these pumpkins, and I told you I only buy things that I can use year-round or in a dual role. And that is the purpose of these pumpkins. These pumpkins you saw, they were in my Glam and Elegant tablescape, and I also wanted to feature them in this tablescape because, of course, it's Halloween and you must have pumpkins on Halloween. But I wanted to keep the tablescape grown and sexy, so I decided to do all black. So again, I am using one of the crystal candle holders that I picked up from Ross. I am using an acorn that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I love the silver detail. These black leaves I picked up from the Dollar General. They were $3 a piece. And as I mentioned in my last video, the pumpkins were $11.99 and $9.99 respectively. And I just absolutely love the look. The dinnerware, again, I am featuring my dinnerware from the Dollar Tree because I absolutely love it. I am using my black silverware. Now this silverware I picked up from Amazon, and we have used it. As you can tell, it does have like now more of a dull or a oil slick type finish, which I'm not minding. I actually really like that. So that is not so bad, but it's something you might want to consider if you are looking for black silverware. The napkins also came from Amazon, and the chargers also came from Amazon. My placemats are my velvet placemats that I picked up from Pier 1 when they were on clearance. And the wine goblets are also from Amazon. And the wine goblets, if you can see, sort of have a bluish black hue, which I really like. And I think they pop really well against the crystal pumpkins and crystal candle holders on the table. So I wanted to show you this look. And of course, you know, I cannot stop at just one look now that I'm experimenting with this all blackout table. So keep watching if you want to see my second look. All right, friends, so having a very nice tablescape is all about layers. It depends on the number of layers and elements that you want to add to the table to give it drama. So I just showed you my Black Radiance tablescape, and what we have done is tweak it just a bit. We have added our hammered silverware, which pairs very well with our silver and crystal pumpkins, and I have brought in white roses. Black and white, of course. You know my love with those colors. So it brings an element of drama to the table now that I have added in the crystal or the silverware, the hammered silverware. Alright friends, so with this look, we have increased the glam factor. I love black and white and I love glam, so we have combined all three of our favorite loves together. And this tablescape I absolutely loved. I loved my Black Radiance tablescape, but I absolutely love this one as well. Although I'm not sure what to call it. What would you name this tablescape? Leave me a comment down below. I would love to know. So on this one, what we have done is added some Gothic wine glasses with a silver rim. I absolutely love them. We have changed out the charger. We are using our hammered charger and it pairs well with our hammered silverware. I changed out the salad plate to one that is white and dimply. It's white and silver. It has a similar finish to the hammered charger. We kept our Dollar Tree plate and our Dollar Tree bowl, but this tablescape brings an air of sophistication, and I absolutely love it. So either tablescape would work well for a Halloween dinner party or a very sophisticated, grown and sexy dinner party. Which one would you choose if you were hosting a party for Halloween or just a grown and sexy dinner party? Which one would you choose? Which is your favorite of the two? You already know which one I like, but I'd like to know which one you like. So I would like to thank Marilyn for hosting this collaboration. Marilyn, it was so much fun. You know I love black and white, so I really appreciate your asking me to join you in this collab for October. I also want to thank Robin from All Things Luxe by Robin. She does some awesome decorating as well. She does lots of black and gold, but I know she was also going to decorate with black this year. So I am very excited to see what she comes up with. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.